Measurements is our second unit of this term. In the last class, we have learned about circumference of the circle. Today, we are going to see about area of the circle. Part inside the circle is the area of the circle. If we place a circle on a grid paper and counts the number of squares on the grid, we get the area of the circle in square units. Observe the figure shown on the screen. If each square is 1 centimeter, then the area of the circle is 16 square centimeter. But this method is difficult to calculate if the area of the circle becomes larger and larger. Hence, we use the formula for the area of the circle as pi r square, where r is the radius. Let us understand for when the formula of area of a circle has come. Take a circle and cut it into 8 equal pieces like this and arrange them into a rectangular format like this. As you can see, it hardly resembles the rectangle. Next, we will divide the circle into smaller equal pieces and arrange them into a rectangular formation. We still see that it doesn't resemble a rectangle. Now, if we divide the circle into smaller equal pieces and arrange them, we see that it is closer to a rectangle. So, how small? We divide the circle into equal parts to get a figure almost closer to or equal to a rectangle. We divide the circle infinitely many times this way to get a rectangle. So, area of the circle is equal to area of the rectangle, which is equal to length into breadth. The breadth of the rectangle, as you can see, is equal to the radius of the circle. Now, to find the length, we need to look at the circumference of the circle. And when we compare the length with circumference, we see that the length is half of the circumference of the circle. We know that the circumference is given as 2 pi r. L becomes pi r. Now, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to pi r into r, that is pi r square. This we get the formula for finding the area of the circle pi r square. Before going to do the problems, I want to give you some keywords which represents the area as well as the perimeter. It will help you to do the word problems without any doubts. The words rim, edges, trim or modeling, fence, border represents a perimeter. Total space, tiles, carpet represents area. The words around, outside, distance around, total length represents perimeter. The words square units, cover, paint, size of wall, face of an object, leveling or words represents area. Now let us do the example problems. Students, example 2.9. Find the area of the circle of radius 21 centimeter and use pi is equal to 3.14. So students, here the radius of the circle is given and we have to use the value of pi as 3.14, not 22 by 7. And also we have to find the area of the circle. We know that area of the circle is pi r square units. So now we have to substitute all these values in this formula. That is, what is the value of pi? 3.14 into r square. So that is r into r. R into r. So 3.1 into 3.14 into, what is the value of r? That is 21 into 21. And now 3.14. So when we multiply 21 into 21, we get 441. Now multiply 3.14 and 441. Students, multiplying 3.14 with 441. So first, we know that while multiplying, leave the decimal point. So now multiply these two values as it is. So 314 into 441 gives this value, that is 138474. Now we have to place the decimal point. So for that, here the decimal digits, the digits in the decimal part are 2 digits are there. So we have to put the decimal point before 2 digits. That is from right to left. So 1 and 2. So the decimal point will be here. That is between 4 and 7. Therefore, area of a circle is 1384.74 centimeters square. Students, example 2.10. Find the area of a hula loop whose diameter is 28 centimeter and use the pi value as 22 by 7. So students, here given diameter is 28 centimeter and we have to find the area of a loop, hula loop. So we know that area of a circle is equal to pi r square units. So here we need the value of r. Okay, so what is r? Radius. So here the value of diameter is given. So from this we can find the value of r. So we know that diameter is equal to 2r. So r will be d by 2, isn't it? So dividing the diameter by 2, we get the value of radius. So diameter is 28. 28 by 2 is 14. 14 centimeter is the value of r. So now we have the value of the radius and we know that the value of pi, which is 22 by 7. So substituting, we get 22 by 7 into r square, which means r into r, that is 14 into 14. So now cancelling 14 and 7 by using 7 table. So here it is one time, 7 2s are 14, 2. So now 22 into 2 into 14. 22 into 28. 2 into 14 is 28. So now when we multiply 22 into 28 is 616. So what is the square units? Here the square unit is centimeter. So centimeter square, because area of a square is in the square unit. So centimeter square, or you can write it as 616 square centimeter. So area of a circle, area of a hula loop is 616 square centimeter. Example 2.11. The area of the circular region is 2464 centimeter square. Find its radius and diameter. So use pi value as 22 by 7. So now students, the area of a circular region is given. So by using that, we have to find the radius and diameter of the circular region. And here we are going to use the value of pi as 22 by 7, which is given in the problem itself. So now, given that the area of the circular region is 2464 centimeters square. So by using this, we are going to find the area and the diameter of the circular region. So now we know that the area of the circle is pi r square. So which is given that 2464, isn't it? So 2464 is the circular region, the area of it, the circular region. So now students, pi, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. And r square, which is unknown value, we have to find the r's value. So now 2464. Now keep r square in the left hand side itself and bring 22 by 7 to the other side. It becomes 7 by 22. Now students, r square is equal to cancelling 2464 and 22 we get. So by using 11 table, so here in the denominator it is 2 times 2 into 11 is 22, and here in the numerator when we take 24, 2 times balance 2, and 2 6 is 26, which is 22, that is 2 into 11, 2 11s are 22, and balance 4, and 4 is 44, and here it is 4 times, so 224 as we get. So now again cancelling 2 and 224 by using 2 table. It is 1 time, and in the numerator it is 112. Now students, 112 into 7. So now we know that to find the value of r, the square becomes the square root of 112 into 7. So that is, here the square, when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes square root as we know. And here square root of 112 into 7 is 784. Now we have to find the value of square root of 784. So by using prime factorization, students, 784. So here, so the last digit is 4. So it is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So we can take 2. So prime factor as 2. So here it is 2. 3 into 2s are 3 2s are 6 and balance 1. And here 18 is 9 2s are 18 and 2. And here again 2 is the last digit which is even. So we can take the prime factor 2. And here 1 2s are 2 and balance 1, and 18 which is 9 2s are 18, and here 1. So 12 is 6 2s are 12. So 196. Again the last digit is 6 which is even number, and here we can take 2 as a factor. And now we can take 2 digits. So 19. 9 2s are 18. So 1 is 16 is 8 2s are 16. So again 8. We can take 2. 4 2s are 8. So remaining 1 is there, and 18. 18 is 2 9s are 18. So here the last digit is 9, and here it is by using the divisibility rule, so it is divisible by 7. Prime factor 7. So 7 7s are 49. And now square root of the value of 784 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So we know that in the square root we have to take one value from the pair. So that is 1 1. So make a pair of these values and bring one value outside the root. So when it comes outside, 2 into 2 which comes outside, simply we can write 2, and into 2 into 2 when it comes outside it becomes 2. So 7 into 7 within the square root, here 1 7 comes outside, so that is 7. So now the value of r is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 7 is 28. 28 centimeter. So the value of r is 28 centimeter. And also we have to find the diameter D, which is 2 twice the radius, 2 into R. Therefore 2 into R is 28. Therefore 56 centimeter. So the value of R radius is 28 centimeter and D is 56 centimeter. Students, a gardener walks around a circular park of distance 154 meter. If he wants to level the park at the rate of rupees 25 per square meter, for 1 square meter he have to pay rupees 25. And how much amount will be need for the complete circular park? So students, here we have to find the area of the circular park, isn't it? So we know that area of the circle is pi r square units. So here what value we need? The value of r, isn't it? But the value of r is not given in the problem. So instead of that, here the circumference of the circular park is given. So that is the distance covered by the man is given. So we taken it as the circumference of the circle. And here by using this circumference of the circle value, we are going to find the value of r. And then we are using this r value in the area of the circle formula. Now students, 2 pi r is equal to 154 meter. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 r is equal to 154. So here 2 into 2, 24 is 44 by 7 r is equal to 154. And what is the value of r? So r is equal to 154 divided by 44 by 7. It becomes 7 by 44 on the other side. And now cancelling 154 and 44 by using 11 table, here it is 14 times in the numerator, in the denominator it is 4 times. And again by using 2 table, when we cancel 14 and 4, in the numerator it is 7 times. 7 2s are 14 and here in the denominator it is 2 times. So 7 into 7 by 2. 7 into 7 is 49 by 2. So when we divide 49 by 2, we get radius is equal to 24.5 meter. So area of the park, we know that pi r square units. So now A is equal to pi. What is the value of pi? That is 22 by 7 and into r is 24.5 whole square, the whole square. And in the next line, it becomes 22 by 7 into 24.5 into 24.5 because the whole square. So and here in the next line, when we cancel 7 and 24.5, it becomes 3.5 times. So when we cancel 24.5 by 7, we get 3.5 times and into 24.5. And in the next line, we have to multiply 3.5 with 24.5 value. And now while multiplying, we know that we have to leave the decimal point, and after that in the value solution we can put the decimal point. So 245 into 35, when we multiply these two values, we get 8575. Now we have to put the decimal point. So in the first number, the decimal digit, there is only one decimal digit in the decimal part, and in the second number only one digit in the decimal part. So totally there are 2 digits. So we have to put 2 digits before. We have to put the decimal points before 2 digits. So that is 1, 2. From right to left we have to count 1, 2. So before 7 we have to put the decimal point. So the value is 85.75. Now students, multiplying 85.75 with this 22. So 22 into 85.75. So again 85.75. So leave the decimal point, and 22. So multiply these values. So 2 into 8575 is 05171. So, and then the same value will be there in the second row. So 5171. So adding 881. Now we get 188650. So now place the decimal point. So students, here there are 2 digits in the decimal part. So we have to put the decimal point before 2 digits from right to left. So 1, 2. So there will be a decimal point between 6 and 5. So students, the value is 1886.5. We need not to put the value 0. Okay. After the decimal point in the decimal part, we need not to put the 0. So leave the 0. And here meter square is the square unit. So which is the area of the circular park. Now students, cost of leveling the park square meter. Per square meter it is 25 rupees. So we need 25 rupees to level the park per square meter. For 1 square meter the cost is rupees 25. Then we have to find the cost of leveling the park for 1886.5 meters square. So we have to multiply 25 with this value, that is 25 into 1886.5. Now we know that how to multiply these two values. So first multiply these two values without the decimal point. Leaving the decimal point, we have to multiply. So 1886.5 into 25 gives, that is 5 into this value and 2 into this value, we get 471625. Now we have to put the decimal point. So students, we know that only one digit is there. So we have to put the decimal point before one value. That is 47162.5. That is 47,162.5. It can be read as 47,162.5. So that is the cost of leveling the park of 1886.5 meters square is rupees 47,162.50. Students, given that the area of the circle is given, here we have to find the length of the rope, which is the radius of the circle. So given that the area of the circle is 9856 meter square meter or meter square. So we know that the area of the circle is pi r square is equal to 9856. Now here they given the value of pi as 22/7. Substitute for pi 22/7 and into r square is equal to 9856. Now we have to find the value of r square, which is the length of the rope. So keep left hand side itself. So bring 22/7 to the other side. So it becomes, when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes 7/22. Now cancelling 9856 by 22 by using 2 table. So 11 times, here it is 4, 9, 8 times. So again we can cancel 11 and 4928. So by using 11 table, so in the denominator it is 1 time and in the numerator it is 4 11s are 44 and 52. So 4 11s are 44 and 8. 88 is 8. So 8 11s are 88. So 448 into 7. Thus we get. So which is the value of r square. So now students, we have to multiply these two values. We get 3136. Students, listen carefully. Square, when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes square root. Square becomes 1 by 2. That is as a square root on the other side. That is square root of 3136. Now we have to find the value of this. So by using prime factorization. Now students, the last digit 6, which is an even number and it is divisible by 2 and 2. Let us take 2. So here 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 11. So 5 2s are 10, remainder 1 and 13. 6 2s are 12 and remainder 1 and 16. 8 2s are 16. So here again the last digit is 8, which is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So again take 2 and here 7, remainder 1 and 8, 4, 784. So again we can take 2 and here 3 2s are 6 and remainder 1 18, which is 9 2s are 18, 9 and 2. So again we can take 2. So 1 2s are 2, remainder 1 19 and here we get 9 2s are 18 and remainder 1 and 6 2s are 12 and here the last digit is 6, which is an even number. It is divisible by 2 and 196 98 times. So 98 into 2 is 196. Again we can take 2. So here 4 2s are 8, remainder 1 and 9 2s are 18 and here we can take 7. So 7 into 7 is 49 and here the last digit is 9, which is odd number and we can't take 2. So the other value, the prime values are 3, 5 and 7. But 5, we can't take 5 by the divisibility rule of 5. So the last digit must be ends with 5 or 0. So then only we can take 5. So what about 3? Divisibility of 3 is adding these two values, that is sum of the digits is also divisible by 3, isn't it? So 4 plus 9 is 13, which is not divisible by 3. So we can't take 3. So we can't take 2, 3 and 5. The other value is 7. So we can take 7 and also the values ends with 9. So by the divisibility rule, it is divisible by 7. So 7 7s are 49. So now students, we can write all these values. 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into 7 into 7. Students, from these pairs, we can take one value outside the square root. So, in the first pair, we can take 2 outside. In the second, 2. And the third, 2. And in the last pair, we can take 7 outside the square root. So, now multiplying all these values, we get 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 7 is 56. So 56 meter. So therefore radius R is equal to 56 meter. Therefore the length of the rope should be 56 meter, the radius of the rope. Students, the perimeter of the rectangular garden. So here it is given that one rectangle and two semicircles are there. So the length of the boundary is the perimeter of the rectangular garden, isn't it? So students, here we have to find the length of these sides plus the circumference of these two semicircles. So length plus semicircles circumference. So the circumference of these two semicircles. So we know that circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and circumference of the semicircle is 2 pi r divided by 2. Isn't it? So students, here write down the perimeter of rectangular garden. So that is, perimeter include two lengths, that is 16 plus 16. So the length of the rectangle of each of 16 meter and two semicircle arcs. So that is circumference of these two semicircles and of diameter 8. So here the diameter is given. So the circumference of the semicircle formula will be 2 pi r. Instead of 2r, we can place it d. And pi d divided by 2 is the circumference of the semicircle. So here it is circumference of the semicircle. For one semicircle we can find. And also students, here the diameter of the semicircle or breadth of the rectangle will be 8 meter. So because opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. So here it is 8 meter means here is also 8 meter. And here the length, this one is also 16 meter. So because the opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So students, first let us find the circumference of the semicircle. And that is pi. So pi into d, diameter. So that is, diameter is 8 by 2. So is equal to 4 times, and here it is 1 time. So 4 into pi. Now the value of pi is given in the problem 3.14. So into 4. Now, so that is, the value of pi is 3.14 into 4. And multiplying these two values, we get 12.56. So students, this is the circumference of the semicircle. Students, we find the circumference of one semicircle. Okay, here two semicircles are there. So and these two semicircles are of same diameter. So the circumference of these two semicircles will be same. So to get the circumference of two semicircles, we have to multiply 2 with this value, that is 2 into 12.56 gives circumference of two semicircles. So 25.12 meter. Finally, we have to find the total perimeter, that is length of the boundary. So we know that total in perimeter will be length plus length and circumference of these two semicircles. So students, length, which is 16 meter, plus length again 16 meter, plus circumference of the semicircles is 25.12. So 16 plus 16, 32 plus 25.12. We know that how to add whole number with the decimal number. And here there is a whole part which is 32. There is no decimal part. So put it as 0. and the second number is 25.12. Now adding these two values, we get 2175. So now 57.12 meter. So the total perimeter is 57.12 meter. Question is the total area of the garden. So here we have to find the total area of the garden. So that is area of the rectangle plus area of these two semicircles. And here area of two semicircles will be the area of the circle. So we have to find area of the rectangle plus area of the circle. Now first let us find area of the rectangle. Now students, here area of the rectangle is L into B. So we know that length into breadth. So length is 16 meter and breadth is 8 meter. So area of the rectangle is 16 into 8, which is 128 meter square. So let it be 1. And area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Here value of pi is 3.14 into, let us take 3.14 for the value of pi, and r, what is the value of r? Here r is 4 because the diameter of the semicircle is given. So by dividing it by 2, we get the radius. So d is equal to 2r. It implies r is equal to d by 2. So we need the value of r. So r is equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. So the value of r is 4 meter. So here substitute 4 into 4 because r square. 4 into 4. So 3.14 into 16. So when we multiply these two values, we get 50.24 meter square. So let us take this value as 2. From 1 and 2, we get the total area of the garden. That is area of the rectangle 128 plus area of the circle 50.24. Now adding these two values, we get 128.00 and 50.24 gives 42.871. So 178.24 meters square. So 178.24 meters square will be the total area of the garden. Exercise 2.2, third problem. A sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering a circular area. So here water covering, it means that we have to find the area of the circle. If the area watered is 1386 centimeter square, find its radius and diameter. So now students, here given area pi r square. The pi r square is 1386. So by using this value, we are going to find the radius and diameter. And now students, let us equate these values. That is pi r square is equal to 1386. So here let us substitute pi value as 22 by 7. R square is equal to 1386 and r square is equal to 1386. So when it comes to the other side, it becomes 7 by 22. Now students, let us cancel the numerator and denominator, this value by 2 table. So that is here 11 times, and here 6, 9, 3. Now 693 into 7 by 11. So again, when we cancel this value by using 11 table, here it is 1 time and here it is 6, remainder is 3, and 33 is 3 times. So 63 11s are 693, and now we get 63 into 7. So which is the value of r square? Now students, here to find the value of r, the square comes to the other side like square root. So when the square comes to the other side, it becomes square root. That is, r is equal to square root of 63 into 7. Now we can write 63 as 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63 into 7. Again we can write 9 as 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So to bring one value outside from the pair, so let's make 9 as 3 into 3. Now students, from the first pair we can take 3 outside the square root, and from the second pair 7 into 7 we can take one value 7 outside the square root. Now 7 into 3 is 21 and the unit is centimeter. So r, the radius of the flower garden of circular shape is 21 centimeter. R is equal to 21 centimeter. So we know that how to find the diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2 times the radius. So 2 into r is 21. So that is 42. The unit is centimeter. So r, radius r is equal to 21 centimeter, and diameter d is equal to 42 centimeter. Fourth problem. The circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. So students, here find the area of the park. So area of the park is pi r square unit. So here we have to find the value of r because the radius is not given in the problem. So instead of that, here the circumference of the circle is given, which is 352. So we know that circumference of the circle is 2 pi r unit. So equating these two values, we can find the value of r. So now students, as a first step, equate 2 pi r, that is the circumference of the circle formula, with the value 352. And in the next step, what is the value of pi? We can use 3.14 or 22 by 7. Here we'll use 22 by 7, and into r is equal to 352, and 2 into 22 is 44 by 7 into r is equal to 352, and r is equal to 352. When it comes to the other side, it becomes 7 by 44. Now cancelling 352 and 44 by using 11th table. So here it is 4 times in the numerator. 3 11s on 33, remainder 2 and 22, 2. So 32 11s are 352. Again 32 and 4. When we cancel 32 and 4 by using 4 table, here it is 1 time and here in the numerator it is 8 times. So students, here we get 8 into 7, that is r is equal to 8 sevens are 56. So 56 meter is the radius of the circular park. Now we can substitute this value in the area of the circle formula. Area of the park is equal to pi r square. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r. R is 56 into 56. Now cancelling 56 and 7. 8 sevens are 56. So 22 into 8 into 56. Now multiplying these values we get 9856 meter square. So the area of the park is 9856 meter square. Friends, 8th problem. Tenmozhi wants to level her circular flower garden. Leveling. So cultivating, leveling, it represents area. Okay, area of the circle. Circular garden, flower garden, whose diameter is 49 meter at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. So leveling, it represents the area of the circular garden. So students, here first we have to find the area of the circular garden. Okay, so here it is given that the diameter of the circular garden as 49 meter. So from this we have to find radius. So radius is diameter by 2. That is, when we divide the number by 2 we get diameter by 2, we get radius. So students, here 49 by 2 meter is the radius. So area of the circular garden is pi r square, square units. So substituting all the values we get pi as 22 by 7 into r is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2 because r square is given. And here when we cancel 22 and 2 by using 2 table, here it is 11 times, here it is 1 time. And then again we cancelling 7 and 49 by 7 table, here it is 7 times, here in the denominator it is 1 time. And again when we cancel 2 and 7 by using 2 table, here it is 3.5 in the numerator. So we have 11 into 3.5 into 49. So multiplying all these values, first multiply the whole numbers and then the product with 3.5. We get 1886.5 meter square. Now students, we know that cost of leveling meter square per meter square area is given that rupees 150. But here we have to find the cost of leveling for 1886.5 meters square. So for that, what we'll do? We have to multiply these two values. So for meter square, so for square meter, the cost will be 150, means for 1886.5 meters square, what will be the cost? For that, we have to multiply these two values. So multiplying these two values, we get 2,82,975 rupees. So therefore, the cost of leveling the flower garden is 2,82,975. Area of pathways. We come across pathways in different shapes. Here we restrict ourselves to two kinds of pathways, namely circular pathway and rectangular pathways. Circular pathways. Circular pathways. We observe around us circular shapes where we need to find the area of the pathway. The area of pathway is the difference between the area of the outer circle and inner circle. Let capital R be the radius of the outer circle and small r be the radius of the inner circle. Therefore, area of the circular pathway is equal to area of the larger circle minus area of the smaller circle is equal to pi capital R square minus pi small r square, which is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square square unit. Now let us see about the rectangular pathways. Let us observe the figure. The figure has two rectangles. The larger rectangle PQRS has the length L and the breadth B units. The smaller rectangle MNOP has length L unit and breadth B units. The region between the larger and smaller rectangle is called the area between the rectangles or rectangular pathway. The area between the rectangles is equal to the difference between the area of the larger and smaller rectangles. The area of the rectangular pathway is equal to the area of larger rectangle PQRS minus area of smaller rectangle MNOP, that is capital LB minus small lb square units.